Hi everyone, welcome to Wise World channel. A short story. Strength in unity. A man had 4 sons who were always fighting with each other. The man decided to teach them a lesson. He said, "Bring me a bundle of sticks and try breaking it across your knee." All of them failed. Then the man undid the bundle and handed them the sticks one by one, which they broke easily. The man said, "If you stand united, you will be no match for your enemies. But if you fight and stay away from each other, your weakness will put you at their mercy." His sons never fought again. The moral of the story is, united we stand, divided we fall. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.